What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today it's not the first day, but it's pretty close to the first day. The first time it's legal to bait bear in Arkansas. We can only bait 30 days prior to season. They moved season back a week. I want to thank anyone who had anything to do with that, because it seems like every year bears get here and like a week before season the acorns drop and they disappear. Anyway, so we're out here down the farm. I've baited here for several years now. Bears, this time of year, they're eating a lot of calories. They require a lot of water. I chose this place, top of a ridge, for scent dispersal. There's water off that end, and there's water off that end. Also, there's a clear cut right here that is thicker than cat's hair. So I'm just gonna give y'all a rundown on what I've got going on today. So I've got a 2-barrel system here. You can see the one with the hole in it there. And this one over here is just a regular old barrel with a kind of like a shaker barrel. I'm baiting, almost fell. I'm baiting with corn, cracked corn, mixed with bacon grease, textured sweet feed, and a little secret, floating catfish food. And also, you know, since bears have an amazing sense of smell, I've got strawberry extract, caramel extract, and a little bit of that sweet anise. Yeah, not the kind you're thinking of though, but anise extract. Anyway, let's put this food in here and I'll get right back with you and I'll show you the finished product. We got the bait set up, everything's looking good. This is just like a sample bait. We're trying to make sure we can get some bears in here before we come in here and just dump a whole bunch of stuff. So here's what it looks like set up. I've got logs in the hole to keep the coons and stuff out. I poured the liquid smells, the anise, the strawberry, and the caramel on top of the barrels in hopes that coons or something, they walk on it, they'll get it on their feet, track it all over. I usually use a lot of Boarmasters products. I have a bunch of it ordered. For some reason it hadn't come in yet, so I went ahead and set my bait out. I'll come back in a week and recheck it and put some Boarmaster stuff. You should check out their products, they're awesome. No, I don't get paid for that, but so that's it, guys. Right here is just a simple bait setup, a barrel chained to a tree with a hole cut in it on a good location. You can see, I don't know if you can see that, the tree stands right there. You know, you ever found a spot that just makes you sit back and think about all the people or things that have stood in the same spot you were at? I think of, there's a couple places come to mind. Some real old duck holes down there on Black River. And this little place right here, there's a spring, comes out of the ground right there. There's a old house place right there with a cedar tree that's this big around with barbed wire running right through the middle of it. So you know it's been there a long time. And I come here all the time and drink my water out of the spring here, and I'll often think about how many people, whether it be pioneers, Indians, homesteaders, whatever, trespassers, turkey poachers, have sat right here in the same spot I'm at and just got a refreshing cold drink of water. We've had a good day today. On the way back from that bear bait, I found a very good chicken of the woods mushroom. These things are delicious fried. I got some country style ribs I'm gonna cook this evening. I'm gonna fry these up just like I would fried chicken. That's why they're called, the reason why they're called chicken of the woods, because it tastes just like chicken. Good chicken woods mushroom. And I found a turkey feather. I believe it's turkey, it might be a hawk feather, I'm not really sure. Right down here, something come down here and got him a drink of water. We had a good day. We put a bear bait out. This tree right here actually has markings on it from bear. But I appreciate y'all watching. I want to take this time to thank everyone that subscribed and commented on my channel. And I'll just appreciate it, guys. So till next time, sit back and enjoy yourself. It's time to get out, guys. Start shooting your bow. start thinking about putting food plots in. Wheat's probably outrageous this year. I ain't priced it, but I'm sure it's high. So we gotta do what we gotta do to do, you know, what we enjoy. Till then, I'll see y'all later.